Top 10 richest people in the world. Starting from the bottom, on the 10th position we have David Koch, brother of Charles Koch. David Koch is the executive vice president of Koch Industries, valued the same as his brother at $42.5 billion. David is the 10th richest person in the world. David also owns 42% of conglomerate that the brother inherited from their father and then expanded. On 9th position we have Charles Koch. He is an American businessman, political donor, philanthropist, and a business magnate. Charles Koch is the 9th richest person in the world with a net worth of $42.9 billion US. He is co-owner, chairman of the board and chief executive officer of Koch Industries. He owns 42% of the share of conglomerate. Next, on the 8th position we have Michael Bloomberg. Michael Bloomberg is an American businessman and politician. His net worth is estimated at $43.3 billion as of January 2017, ranking him as the 6th richest person in the United States and 8th richest person in the world. Bloomberg is the founder, CEO and owner of Bloomberg LP, a global financial services, mass media and software company. On 7th position we have Larry Ellison. He is an American businessman and entrepreneur who is co-founder of Oracle Corporation and was CEO from its founding until September 2014. He currently serves as Executive Chairman and Chief Technology Officer of Oracle. He holds 7th rank among the top billionaires of the world with a net worth of $43.6 billion US. On 6th position, we have Mark Zuckerberg. He is an American computer programmer and internet entrepreneur. He is the Chairman, Chief Executive Officer and co-founder of Facebook. His net worth is estimated to be $44.6 billion US as of 2017, ranking him the 6th richest person in the world. On the 5th position, we have Jeff Bezos. He is an American technology and retail entrepreneur and investor. He is the founder, chairman and chief executive officer of Amazon.com, which is currently the world's largest internet sales company. Bezos currently ranks as the 5th richest person in the world with an estimated net worth of $45.2 billion US. Up next is Carlos Slim, who is the Mexican business magnate and investor. From 2010 to 2013, Slim was ranked as one of the richest persons in the world. He derived his fortune from the extensive holdings in the considerable number of Mexican companies through his conglomerate Grupo Carso. He is on the 4th position in the list of billionaires with the net worth estimated at more than $50 billion US. On the 3rd position we have Amancio Ortega, who is a Spanish business magnate. He is the founder and former chairman of Inditex Fashion Group, best known for its chain of Zara clothing and accessories retail shops. He is currently the richest person in Europe and 3rd richest person in the world with an estimated net worth of $72.8 billion US. Next up, we have Warren Buffett, who is an American investor and business magnate. He is considered by some to be one of the most successful investors in the world, and as of February 2017 is the 2nd wealthiest person in the world with a total net worth of $73.9 billion US. Buffett has been the chairman and largest shareholder of Berkshire Hathaway since 1970. Talking about the richest person in the world, we have Bill Gates on the top of the list. Bill Gates is an American business magnate. In 1975, Gates and Paul Allen co-founded Microsoft, which became the world's largest PC software company. Gates is currently the richest person in the world with an estimated net worth of $84.2 billion US as of January 2017.